Compounding is often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world, and rightly so. It's the magic that turns small investments into substantial wealth over time. Think of it like planting a seed that grows into a tree, then using the seeds from that tree to plant more trees. In this video, we'll delve into 3 powerful strategies to compound your portfolio, each with the potential to significantly boost your returns and pave the way for financial success. One of the quickest ways to compound your portfolio is by strategically diversifying your investments across a range of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Diversification spreads risk and maximizes potential returns, allowing you to capitalize on various market conditions while minimizing the impact of any single investment's performance. Additionally, investing in high-growth sectors and companies with strong fundamentals can accelerate portfolio growth by capturing significant market upside. Employing techniques like dollar-cost averaging, where you consistently invest a fixed amount over time regardless of market fluctuations, can further enhance portfolio growth by taking advantage of market volatility. Furthermore, reinvesting dividends and interest earned back into your portfolio amplifies the compounding effect, exponentially increasing wealth accumulation over the long term. By combining these strategies and remaining disciplined in your investment approach, you can swiftly compound your portfolio and achieve your financial goals. 1. Investing in companies with high ROIC. Investing in companies that are really good at making money from the money they invest can make a big difference in how your investment grows. It's like having a magic tree that keeps giving lots of juicy fruits. When you find these kinds of companies like Apple, Cisco, Nike, and Expeditors, it's like finding treasure because they know how to use their money smartly, making more profits and making the people who invest in them really happy. These companies not only make money but also make sure their investors get a piece of the pie through dividends. When you put your money in companies with high ROIC, it's like you're playing a winning game. These companies are like superheroes in the business world. They know exactly how to make the most out of every dollar they spend, which means they're likely to keep growing and making more money. By paying attention to how much money they make compared to how much they invest, you can spot these winning companies. And if you keep an eye on things like how much they pay in dividends and how much their stock prices go up, you can get an idea of how well they're doing in the long run. So investing in these companies can really help your money grow over time, almost like planting seeds that turn into big, fruitful trees. It's exciting to think about how investing in companies with high ROIC can change your financial future. It's like having a secret weapon that helps you build wealth over time. Just like how a skilled gardener tends to their garden, carefully nurturing each plant for a bountiful harvest, investors who choose companies with high ROIC carefully tend to their portfolios. They watch as their investments grow and flourish, knowing that they've made smart choices that will pay off in the long run. So if you're looking to grow your money steadily and securely, investing in these kinds of companies could be the key to unlocking a brighter financial future. 2. Harnessing the power of share buybacks. Investing in companies that buy back their own shares can be like having a special friend who believes in you and wants to see you succeed. When a company decides to buy back its shares, it's like saying, "Hey, we think our shares are undervalued, so we're going to snatch them up before anyone else does." This move not only boosts the confidence of investors but also makes each remaining share more valuable, almost like finding a rare gem in a treasure hunt. Companies like W.R. Berkley, Alphabet, MasterCard, and Tractor Supply Company have shown how share buybacks can be a real game changer for investors, putting more money in their pockets over time. Seeing a company you've invested in buying back its own shares can bring a sense of excitement and confidence. It's like watching your favorite team score a winning goal. You feel proud and hopeful for the future. Share buybacks signal that the company believes in itself and its ability to grow, which can be reassuring for investors. By keeping an eye on metrics like buyback yield and how the company's stock performs afterward, investors can gauge the impact of these actions on their portfolio's growth potential. However, it's also important to be cautious and do your homework before diving in, as not all share buybacks lead to success. Making sure the company is financially healthy and has room to grow is key to reaping the benefits of the strategy. Investing in companies that engage in share buybacks can be like planting seeds of wealth that grow into sturdy trees over time. It's a strategic move that requires patience and foresight, like tending to a garden and waiting for the flowers to bloom. By carefully considering the company's financial situation and its potential for growth, investors can position themselves for long-term success. Share buybacks can serve as a powerful tool for compounding wealth, but it's important to approach them with diligence and a clear understanding of the risks involved. With the right strategy and a bit of luck, investors can watch their portfolios flourish, just like a well-tended garden in full bloom. 3. Harnessing the power of dividends. Investing in companies that dish out dividends to their shareholders can feel like receiving a warm hug from a friend who always has your back. Dividends are like little gifts of appreciation from the company, thanking you for believing in them and sticking around. It's not just about the money, it's about the trust and connection you feel knowing that the company values your support. Companies like Visa Incorporated, Verizon Communications, PepsiCo, and Johnson & Johnson are shining examples of this generosity, consistently increasing their dividends year after year, like reliable friends who never let you down. Dividend investing is like planting seeds of financial security that grow into sturdy trees, providing shade and nourishment for years to come. Companies that prioritize dividends are like the dependable elders in your community, always there to lend a hand and share their wisdom. By reinvesting those dividends back into the company or other investments, you're not just growing your wealth, you're creating a legacy that can benefit generations to come. And as those dividends grow over time, it's like watching your garden flourish with each passing season, filling your life with abundance and prosperity. Choosing to invest in dividend-paying companies is like building a bridge to a brighter future, one dividend at a time. It's a journey of patience and perseverance, but the rewards are worth it in the end. By focusing on companies with a strong history of dividend growth, you're setting yourself up for success, like picking the ripest fruits from the tree. With each dividend payment, you're not just receiving money, you're gaining momentum toward your financial goals and creating a life of freedom and security. So embrace the power of dividends and watch as your portfolio blossoms into something truly remarkable.